Sell junk. I guess I'm gonna put some of this shit into my slot. I'm gonna keep all legendaries. Did you face me and friends to talk about how the monk in the game closely resembles Ang? Or Aang? I call him Aang. I said Ang for some reason because of the fucking movie. I was thinking about the movie. Ooh, we missed the legendary. Aang? Yeah. Ong is technically supposed to be the proper way if you're gonna go by, I guess, like the culture or whatever, but the show says Aang. I think the Amazon series is going to do Ong. I'm less enthused about it though, since the what do you call it? The original creators are backed out of it.
Let's see what the next one is after 1 point. And then it increases it by 2 after that. Yeah, my next upgrade is 2,187,000.
Do something like with Assassin, like black, but then like white for the frost that I'm going for, but honestly not.
I increased my lost loot storage too.
Yeah, I did a little bit.
Oh, a lot of it back.
Never happy with anything. Oh, throw my shit. Banner.
The old me is dead. Meet the newer, more fashionable me.
But yeah, I'd love to for them to have the funds and do a whole nother series. They said they have ideas for it, but I don't think they'd ever. I think they said they'd never do it again unless they had like a guarantee on like funding and and give them the time to do everything. They don't want to be screwed around like they did last time. But that was also before they had a little bit of an argument about the live action series, so maybe they're just done. Lost loot goes up a little bit more. SMGs. Is there a quest? Oh. I'm ready whenever.
Just chilling by the portal. It looks like it's the quest we picked up is in the wall too, so.
Oh, okay, nice. Big spell shot, no, and you, dirt, nope.
Oh.
How much can we carry now? 62.
Hey, there's my little piece of burning.
Oh wait, we want to leave this area, right?
Yeah.
Or
But we wanted to get to the wall is where we want to go. But when we go out that way, I don't know. How we get there, I guess we'll just let's check it out, but
I think this was asked before, but you ever watch Trailer Park Tours? I think I'm one of the only friends, or any only person in my group of friends that never watched it. I have seen a couple episodes here and there,
this way.
and there was one I can't really remember. It was the first one I watched. It really didn't float my boat, but there were a couple I've seen that were pretty funny.
Ow. Another fragment piece here too.
But it was one of those shows that I think came on at an inopportune time for me, because so I never got to follow it. And like a lot of shows. And so I just never, it's one of those things I just fell so far behind on that I never got into them. They were always quoted. How about you? Like, oh, when they announced the movie, my friends were like fucking ecstatic. I was really tempted to binge it then, but I just didn't have the time. Or had the time, but there's also so many other things I wanted to do too. Oh yeah, it is true. That is true. I forgot about that. Yeah, that's weird. I never thought of that. Dun, 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 dun.
The wheels are in motion.
Where are all the people? I just wasted my spell. However, I kind of knew about it from some being a fan of the characters. Eventually, you need to see random clips. Oh, I've seen a lot. That's another thing too. I've seen so many clips. I've definitely binged a ton. So there's a lot that I've seen for sure. It definitely has a lot of good clips. Another one that I would love to watch too, but again, hard with time wise, is It's Always Sunny. I've seen the first like 2 episodes, I think. I fucking laughed my ass off, but then I haven't got around to watching it. Since they took part to hooked on the excessive swearing and low budget camera style, yeah.
Ooh, a 3-parter.
I definitely fell out of the loop of not watching that show. Everyone watched it.
Obelisk. Everything blew up on me there.
Where are you?
Probably dead.
Oh. Not trying to. Oh.
Okay,
Nice.
All those little explodey guys that come out
Yeah.
of the big ones.
Imminent destruction. I've got the juice.
So much loot.
What is that you see? Why, 'tis a shrine piece. Shrine piece, yeah.
I hopefully watched it. It's always one of my cousins watched every episode of it. Yeah. That's another one of my friends watched. That's one of many shows that I watch. Hell, I didn't even know. Done Texture's Laboratory and Summer Jack made Primal. I've only seen season 1 of Primal. I liked it.
I'm good to go.
Almost done here. I liked Primal. I haven't seen season 2 yet. I actually liked the final season that they added to Samurai Jack. Yeah, I'm good.
Just found something that's, oh my god.
And good old Dexter's Laboratory. Goddamn Dee Dee. Always screwing up the
Waste one of my
plans.
legendaries, that's crazy.
Sorry?
Oh, I got something